We've made our way down to the tip of South America for a month-long sailing expedition deep in the fjords of Patagonia on an exploration of science, art, and adventure in one of the wildest regions on the planet. My role is to document our whole expedition. We are completely off the grid. With no generators on the boat, I'm relying solely on the sun to keep all of my gear charged.
It's like swimming in the Caribbean!
With me I have the Nomad 50 solar panel, the Sherpa 100 AC, and the Venture 75.